Many beneficiaries signed up for Medicare plans last fall, but taking time to learn now more about your plan benefits can help save you money and stay healthy throughout the year. We've got Ernie Gonzalez from UnitedHealthCare. He is here to discuss with us why it's important to take advantage of this plan. And the 20th anniversary of Medicare, I know, is kind of marking a milestone here. Great to have you on.
Thank you.
So what is Medicare Advantage?
Well, Medicare Advantage is a program that has been brought out by the private companies. What they do is they take Part A, which is a hospital, Part B, which is a physicians, and they bring it into one complete package. Medicare only does not cover the entire bill. A and B leaves also a gap of 20%, and it's 20% of what the heck. That can be a very important what the heck, right? So in the Medicare Advantage programs, we bring that into a complete package, taking away the worry and bringing the beneficiaries a complete package without the worry of the 20%.
Okay. And 20 years is a long time, so how has Medicare Advantage really made an impact on Americans over the years?
It is a long time, so that tells you a couple of things. Right now, there's about 19 million people enrolled in Medicare Advantage plans. Over the last 5 years specifically, the growth has been exponential, and it continues to grow. So that tells you that there's value in the equation. The plans are bringing value. There's something that we're doing out there that is being well accepted by the population, and not only from a financial point of view, which takes away the worry of the 20%, it also brings better health outcomes. Another thing that is impacting the whole process of growth within the Medicare Advantage plans is the socioeconomic trends, in which you have 10,000 people a day aging into Medicare for the next several years. So value added, better healthcare outcomes, and a socioeconomic trend of folks turning into the Medicare age 65 has attributed to the huge growth that is taking place and will continue to take place.
So how can people enroll in a plan? What do they need to know if they're listening right now and they want to get enrolled? What's the first step they should take? Well,
information is king, right? So generally speaking, be aware of what is out there. Generally speaking, once you turn 65, at the age of 65, 3 months before, and 3 months after, so you have a span of 7 months in which you can enroll into you start going into the process of enrolling into Medicare Advantage. Not all plans are the same, not all companies are the same, so the homework that you do is important because it's your health care.
And timing is everything, right? Isn't there a certain enrollment date that they need to keep an eye out for as well?
Yeah, generally speaking, the time that you can enroll in the Medicare Advantage plans is from October 15th to December 7th. A very challenging time of the year because we're thinking about the holidays and everything. Last year we had a very hectic environment in which we had the presidential debates going on, the election impacting the holidays. So it was a lot of confusion out there, and folks still needed to pay attention, like always, to this period of time. So October 15th to December 7th, be most aware. You can start finding out about the plans from your insurance brokers as of October 1st. The first application we can be taking up is October 15th.
Okay, so good information to know. Again, write those dates down. That's from October 15th to December 7th. And everything's online these days, Ernie. So is there a website you want to send us to if somebody has questions, if they want to reach out to somebody, you know, if
several ways you can access. Information is king. 1-800-MEDICARE is our main source of information for this population. The UnitedHealthCare phone number is also on your screens right now. And you can also avail yourself of the many folks that are working with us, independent agents that are certified and licensed and are working right here in Lee County out of the UPS store that we have, the UnitedHealthCare store that we have right here on 6 Mile Cypress and Daniels Parkway, which is next to the UPS store. Good folks in there. We have well-versed people in there. There's no appointment needed, no charge. It's just we're going to be there to answer your questions.
Great. Thank you so much. Great to have you on the show this morning. Again, that information on the screen. If you missed it, we'll have this posted online. You can get all that information at fox4morningblend.com.